How to use your scrap yarn to cast on your machine. First, start at the black needle, go one in the front, one in the back for the first row. Then open the yarn feeder, put that inside, and in this case I put it in the top hold. Why? Because this yarn was not working well, so it's changed a little bit the tension, so sometimes it helps. I continue till I reach 3 or 5 rows, and then I will add my working project yarn. So I put that in the middle just like this and bring in my working project yarn and also put it in the top hole for this case, and then I will crank it till, and don't attach those two because the scrap yarn will be removed when you close your tube at the end. So it will look like this. Ciao ciao.